Good morning everyone, and hello. So today I am getting ready to go to the beach with my sister, and I am on holidays, which is great. So I have a break and I'm going to be trying to enjoy as much as I can. So today I am going to the beach with my sister, and we are going to try and take some photos, and hopefully I can fly the drone. Fingers crossed. So I am charging up all these things right now. This one's charged, these are still charging, but yeah, so that's why I've curled my hair, although I don't particularly love it, but that is okay. Sometimes it just doesn't work out. So I've already started to pack, so I'm going to take this camera because she takes the best photos, I personally think. I'm obviously going to take my drone, and I don't know what else. I think that's it, just drone and normal camera. I also should not have itched my eyes. I've touched my eyes and now they're so itchy. Hay fever season. I really can't stand it, but yeah. I don't think I'm going to really do like a big makeup thing. I'm just going to put some pencil into my pencil. Just fill in my eyebrows, just put on some mascara and keep it really basic and simple, because that's what I've been loving at the moment. It's like really simple makeup. And yeah, and then I'm going to go home, walk alley, then go to the beach with my sister. Alright, makeup is done. So all I did was use mascara, and there's a foundation which I've used up because I clearly love, and I already have oopsie, another one ready to go because I just love it. And yeah, eyebrow pencil, mascara and foundation, and that's all I use at the moment because that's what I've been liking. And yeah, how's that light? Yeah, so really basic. I mean, I don't love my eyebrows, but I can never win with my eyebrows no matter how much I try and learn. So funny looking eyebrows forever. Of the day, so you probably have seen me wear this before, but yeah, so this, yeah. Oh, there's a piece that's not curled. Oh gosh, that's gonna annoy me. Alright, you might see me, you might not, but right now I'm driving over to meet my sister and go to the beach. This is Dylan's car, by the way, so it's not my car. That's why you probably can't see me. But yeah, so I'm going with that. I should probably stop filming it. Bye.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
Alright, it's a little bit later. I'm just finishing up at Woolworths. And yeah, I went to the beach with my sister. I didn't really film us at the beach, obviously, because of privacy reasons. But we went to the beach. I hope you like the footage. And now I'm driving back home. So I'm doing. So yeah, I just went and grabbed some bits and pieces from Woolworths for a dinner I'm making tonight, and yeah, the plan is now to go home, rest up, then go back and go for a run. And yeah, anyway guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye. I'm back. It's been a little while. I think the last thing I filmed was me coming back from shopping. All I did was I unpacked my shopping. I watched a little bit of a film with Dylan. We cleaned, and then we went to my parents' house, and then I went home and walked Ali, and now it's time to cook dinner. So yeah, don't mind my outfit. This is like a house dress that I like to wear around the house because it's really loose. But yeah, so I'm gonna cook dinner, and my tripod just keeps going down, so if I'm not in view I do apologize, but it keeps going down, and I film something and I go, oh, it's down. So yeah, I want to make a really simple pasta dish. I'm not going to show you how I do it because it is literally throwing garlic, tomatoes on a pan, putting out a can of sauce and cooking pasta. And yeah, crunchy. Alright, that is it for today. I just wanted to make sure I come on here and say goodbye. At least I remember that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another video. But for now, bye until next time.